In this video, we'll learn how to add sticky notes in your n8n workflow. Now, these are useful for documenting what you have done and the decisions you've made when creating your workflow. You can create links to useful information outside of n8n, but most importantly, you can give information to people reading your n8n workflow. So there are two different primary ways you can create a sticky note in n8n. The first way you can create a sticky note is to right-click somewhere in the open space, not on a node, and click on Add Sticky Note. It'll also show you the shortcut you can use to do the same thing. When you click on that option, it'll automatically create a sticky note. Now we are able to edit it. I can zoom in on that and we double-click to edit it. The first part with the double hash is the heading, and so that's going to be bold and stand out, so it's easier to read. And so I'll just write, this is the heading. This format, by the way, so the double hash and the double asterisk is called Markdown, and it means that we can create headings and bold and links and what have you by putting characters around it to tell the display how to read it. And so double click, this bit here will be in bold. And then you can add whatever links you want to as well. And here there's a HTTP URL, and that will get converted into a link that you can click on. So we click outside of the sticky note and it will close it to save. You can see that the heading is much larger and more prominent, and the in bold text is in bold. So that's the first way to create a sticky note. The second way to create a sticky note is to come over to the right-hand side where there's an icon over here that says Add Sticky Note, and it will do exactly the same thing. Now, to change the color or the background of a sticky note, there's a color palette here, and you have 7 different options you can choose from. I'm going to make this one green. You can do other things like edit the sticky note, change color, make a copy of it, or even duplicate it, tidy up the workflow, convert it to sub workflow. There's a lot of things you can do from this menu option. The other thing you can do is delete it just by clicking on the trash can. So this is a simple way of creating documentation for your workflows. If you like this, please like and subscribe.